So as you can see, that is the plan. This is the main entrance, this is the porch, and then as you move into the house, there you have it. You have your lounge there, you have your kitchen there, and then you have your dining nook right there, Java style. You could choose to have a dining table or just have it as a dining or breakfast nook, which is what I chose to go with. And then on this wing here, off the kitchen, you have your pantry, and then you have your bedroom, one of the bedrooms, the other bedroom right there, and then you have your shared bathroom. Now the shared bathroom is without a toilet. You have your toilet right here, and with the toilet, we call it a cloakroom. I always want to have a wash hand basin within the toilet and one outside. The reason why is because if you go and do your business in the toilet and you have some skid marks on your hands, well, you wouldn't want to touch the handle of the door and go to wash your hands in the outside sink. That's why I chose to have a sink within, so that you do your business, wash your hands, then get out, and you don't have to transfer germs elsewhere. The outside sink is mostly for general utility, where if you're inside, a member of the house or a guest, you want to eat or just wash your hands, then you can go wash your hands and go about your business. Now, as you can see, once you get in the main door, what you have here is an entry cabinet where you could store shoes right here. You could store your coats and your bags right there, and store really anything else around. You could sit and wear your shoes, take your bag, take your coats, and go about your business. You also have a console there behind the couch. And the thing with this design is that you could choose to make it a closed up lounge, where you remove the console, this console here, and add a wall. So put a wall right there, make that corner, and have it touch this wall right here. And then that means that you could put either a door right here or just after the entry door right there. And that way you have a closed up lounge. And of course, as you see, this is the TV wall here, which also has a fireplace there at the corner. You could choose to make the fireplace an electrical, a gas fireplace, or the normal conventional firewood fireplace. The choice is yours. And then as you see, we have your kitchen, which includes an island with also some sitting space where you could choose to work as your wife cooks or work as your husband cooks. However you run your household, it's your choice. And then off this door, you have the master ensuite, where then you have your shoe rack or whatever storage you would choose to use that as. Then you have your cabinet space right here, and then your bed space right there, and then you have your bathroom right there. And the bathroom is quite big. It has the shower cabin, your bathtub, your toilet, and then your sink. So with this house, what I chose to go with is a modular design. As you can see, the center right there has one roof. This wing here has another roof, and then the master wing has another roof. So that means you could choose to build this house in phases. You could actually choose to build this main area plus the master, or you could choose to build the main area and the other wing, and then build the other wing later on. So the modular design is what works for this. And as you can see, once you put the roof back on, that is what we have. And the main thing with this is that the main space has a higher height because if you want the choice for it to have an open plan, then you could also choose to create a very aesthetic ceiling, vaulted ceiling, such that the one space has actually exposed wooden trusses, and you could choose to make a very fancy thing out of it. And that's why we have the high ceiling height, which is not level with these other wings of the house. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comments down below. Until next time, we always say live large.